Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best shower chair that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Platinum Health Shower Chair. The Samson Deluxe Shower Chair by Platinum Health boasts a heavy-duty 600-pound capacity. With non-slip rubber footpads and a stable sitting surface, the ability to use this chair as both a shower chair and an over-the-toilet commode makes it flexible. Plus, it comes with an insert so that the chair can be converted into a seat. It has an integrated toilet paper holder for added convenience and a padded seat to make bathing that much more comfortable. The generous overall seat surface is larger than many models on the market. Its color also helps make it easy to distinguish, reducing the risk of slips and falls. It is designed with a fast assembly process and no tools are needed. The sturdy medical-grade and rust-free aluminum frame ensures long-term durability, while the adjustable height seat provides personalized comfort levels, putting this shower chair at the top of our list. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Medline Shower Chair. The Medline Shower Chair bath seat is comfortable and secure, giving you peace of mind while you take a bath or shower. The height-adjustable frame is made of sturdy and durable aluminum, allowing you to adjust it to fit your specific height requirements. The seat height can be adjusted in 1-inch increments. The chair features non-slip feet that secure it to the tub or shower floor for added safety. As well as being rust-resistant, which makes cleaning easy, it's lightweight while still having a maximum weight capacity of 350 pounds, making it great for people of all sizes. There is no need for tools during assembly as it is designed to be easily put together. With a maximum weight capacity of 350 pounds, this shower chair is sure to provide everyone who uses it with a safe and secure bathing experience. At number 3, we have the Dr. K's Shower Chair. Dr. K's adjustable bath chair is engineered to support up to 350 pounds, meaning it is exceptionally strong. Easy to assemble without the use of tools, this durable aluminum seat is adjustable, allowing you to position it according to your preferences and needs. For improved stability, unique crossbar supports are included along with a wide base and non-slip rubber feet. That way, there's no need to worry about the chair slipping or sliding out from under you when you're sitting in the chair. For added convenience, this adjustable shower chair features integrated side handles, making it easy to set down or lift with minimal effort on your part. Cleaning is also a breeze thanks to the anodized aluminum construction, as it won't corrode due to water or mildew over time. This chair is an excellent choice for those in search of a safe and comfortable seating solution. At number 2, we have the Vaunn Shower Chair. The Vaunn Medical Shower Chair bath seat has a heavy-duty anodized aluminum frame with a weight capacity of 350 pounds, making it one of the sturdiest chairs on the market. Not only does the high-density, polyethylene seat offer maximum comfort and support, but the padded armrests provide extra comfort and security as well. The back support is removable while the legs are adjustable, allowing you to customize the chair to your specific needs. Plus, it only weighs 6 pounds without back support and 8 pounds with back support, making it easy to move and store. Overall, this shower chair provides safety, comfort, and convenience for anyone who needs assistance in the shower. Its lightweight design, adjustable legs, and removable back support make it a great choice for anyone who deals with limited mobility. And finally, at number 1, we have the OasisSpace Shower Chair. With its adjustable height settings, the OasisSpace Shower Chair is perfect for adults, seniors, those who are disabled, and pregnant women. It has some of the highest standards in the medical world. Its lightweight aluminum frame can support up to 300 pounds, while the angled legs provide exceptional stability. The shower chair has anti-skid and non-slip rubber tips for added safety and security, because they give you the added assurance that you won't slip around when using this chair. Plus, the chair is easy to assemble within a short 2 minutes, and you don't need to use any tools either. This shower chair has all the features you need for a safe, enjoyable bathing experience. Its adjustable height settings allow it to fit anyone's needs, and its lightweight frame makes it easy to carry.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.